Vivitar case. Vivitar, what is that, lens?
That's a lens and then another lens.
Another Vivitar lens.
And a bunch more lens covers.
Got some lens covers in his kit.
We have a flash.
Got a flash, alright.
We have a tripod.
Got a tripod in his kit.
Filters.
A couple filters go on the ends of the lens.
300mm lens.
300mm lens, aka 75mm lens.
Goes all the way. A cleaning kit. I believe there's a photo in here.
Got a cleaning kit, alright.
Let's just go there and start. Couple storage.
Alright, got some SD cards going there.
Portable shutter button.
Portable shutter button. Remote control is what he's trying to say. And ultimately we have the Canon EOS 2000D. Looking forward to getting that out of the box.